slowly, that's down. And upward.
Ay, layo. Up mo pa.
Up. Then, ito naman is forward. Ang forward is atras na lang. Forward po yun, no? Uy! Forward, lapit.
I-rotate mo daw siya. Oh, wait lang. Pa! That's... Baka mahulog. Hindi, yung camera.
I-let mo, pag ganyan. Right. Reverse lang siya.
Paano kita? Uy! Hanggang 30 meters lang siya. Ah, yeah. Yeah. English. Sorry. Papa, baba mo pa. Baka may mag-report sa'yo ba? Very good, yeah. Lagay mo daw doon.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. We are from the Philippines. How much money?
How much?
We got it from Shenzhen.
3,600 Chinese yuan.
$10.
Hong Kong dollar.
Hong Kong dollar. Very cheap.
Maybe,
Very good.
yeah, very good.
Very good.
Gosh,
Very cheap Chinese made. Very good product.
very good, very good.
Okay. That's mine. Yeah. Okay.
Friendly siya. Yeah.
Because difficult to buy in the Philippines. Yeah, this one. So we visited. We went to Shenzhen yesterday. Shenzhen. Shenzhen. So here in Hong Kong, expensive here.
Yeah.
How much? One.
How much?
How much?
All? Maybe 4,500 Hong Kong dollars?
4-5 Hong Kong dollars. Right? $5?
4,500.
Hong Kong. The smallest. It can go to 10 kilometers. Travel to 10 kilometers. Then 20 minutes. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
See you. Bye-bye.